How to add QR code scanner on Android home screen. Long press on the empty area of your home screen. Tap on the option Widgets. You can see all the widgets over here. Make sure you've downloaded the applications which allows you to scan the QR code. Tap on the search bar. You can simply search for scanner. You can see the application that allows the scanner over here. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options. For me, I've downloaded the CamScanner application. If you also have this app, you can find the option for scan code. Long press on it. Now release it on the home screen. Now you can see over here scanner has been added. If you tap on it, you'll automatically be able to scan the QR code. Like this, you'll be able to add QR code scanner on Android home screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.